I don't know if you know how it works as a YouTuber, but I've already filmed the whole video and now I'm just trying to, get my words out again to make an intro, like at the end of the video. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. My name is Kyla. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, I am here today to do a hair tutorial for you, and we are going to show you how I got this look and how I style my hair, what products I use, a few questions from the viewers asked previously on my Instagram. And I really hope that you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And I am going to start my hair tutorial. I'll show you exactly how I do it. So usually I do my hair first, but for the purpose of this video, I just put on some makeup just to get the job started. So I take my hair out of its towel. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but I do. It's called It's a 10. It's a leave-in miracle treatment. I rub them together, and I start at the bottom of my hair. I do a very little amount in the roots of my hair, but I really want to focus it on the ends, and I try to get it as much as I can towards the nape of my neck, because basically when I wear my winter coat, because I live in Canada and it is Antarctica outside, when I wear my winter coat, my hair starts almost like matting at the very nape of my neck. It drives me crazy, and I literally have to sit there and like pull it apart sometimes. It's not a good sight. Both of these products I use on my face as well. They're very versatile oils, but I just love it for the ends of my hair where it gets super, super dry. And I've been loving this system. So I take, this one is called Rosé Toronto. It's a really great product, and I love it for my hair. So I just take literally a little dab of that. And then this is called Ultra Rich Healing Oil for face, hair, and body. It's from a Maison Apothecare, if you can see it. So I just take one drop of that as well. And again, I just go at the bottom of my hair. I wet brush. It's my favorite thing in the whole world, and I will never use another hairbrush because it just doesn't pull my hair like other brushes do. What I start doing is brushing the very bottoms of my hair and working my way up. I never start on the top. Don't do it. It's gonna pull your hair. You're not gonna be happy. It doesn't even feel good. So I start at the bottom, and I used to pull the crap out of my hair. I used to like take the brush and just go straight through. Oh goodness, I can't believe I did that. And now, knowing that, I want to fix it. After it's all brushed through, I like to find my part, and for my hair, it's pretty versatile. So I sometimes like to part my hair in the middle. I sometimes like to part it to a side. I would say every day I part it in the middle. That's just how I like to frame my face. And it's when I had my hair cut, I had it cut from a middle part. So I have bangs, pieces that come right to my jaw to frame my face. So I am going to part my hair in the middle, and I will be right back. Now that you have your middle part, I am now going to blow dry my hair. I don't do anything special when I blow dry my hair. I sometimes tip my head over to see if I can get the roots to stand up a little bit, because you're obviously blow drying into the opposite direction. When you put your head back down, they're going to be a little bit lifted. Now, that's just a preference. I sometimes also like not doing that because I feel like I get a little bit of frizziness. For the hairdryer, I don't use anything fancy or special or anything like that. This is just a Conair hairdryer. I've tried the Dyson. I absolutely love it. I just don't have it right now. So maybe one day I will be drying my hair with the Dyson hairdryer. Yeah, I'm just going to start blow drying my hair and I will show you how I do it. That's my hair dried. I am now going to show you how I style it. And that's your finished look. I then take 2 hair clips. Start with one. Take 1 hair clip and you section your hair off like so. You don't have to do this. This is just how I do it. Kind of in like a half up, half down kind of manner. And then you just I twirl that up, stick that on the top of my head, and call it a day. Hair is sectioned off. I put it up and then broke it down into 2 sections. I think I'm missing some. I then take my flat iron. This is a Chi Air. It's super old, but it still works. So I use it. So I use this to flat iron my hair, and I also use it to curl my hair. I love the look of a curl using a curling iron. I sometimes curl my hair with this wand, and this gives you a completely different type of curl. Kind of like a wave, and I'll show you in another tutorial how I use this wand. I don't know why it's wiggly. Okay. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use trusty Chi over here. What I do is I always do my curls away from my face. So I start with a piece here, and if you see me looking over here, that's just because there's a mirror and I want to make sure I'm showing you exactly how I do it. So I take a piece, I wrap it around the hair, and slowly, as I'm pulling through, I keep turning the barrel away from me. And you'll see you have a little curl. I then flip that one side of hair back because that's the side we're going to start with. So you're then going to take another piece. I only take a little bit of hair. My hair inside the flat iron and do it all again. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning to the very last end. Sometimes I will pull it down. I'll show you how I do that, but usually I just let it go and you get curls. And don't worry if they don't look perfect. We're gonna brush these bad boys out at the end. Then you're gonna do it yet again. Here we go. I feel like it's not hot enough yet. It's getting there. Put it into the flat iron, away from you. I always hold the end. Pull, 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 keep turning the flat iron, don't forget. This is something you should practice over and over and over, because I did not get this the first time through. Look how bouncy that little curl is, so cute. So I just let it go, you just keep going. at the gym, so you know they're not really happy with what I'm doing right now. I swear, curling your hair on shoulder day is actually the worst. Oh, just this whole big section here that is not curled. Okay. So now that you have your bottom section done, I like to give it a little spray. This is the Bedhead Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray. You might be like, why are you spraying your hair? You're gonna brush it out. So I do. It's just how I do. Then what I do is I have the top part pinned up. I actually go ahead and stick a little clip in the bottom. And that's my finished look. Okay, I'm gonna stop joking about that because it's not even funny anymore. But basically you have your section on the bottom that's pinned down. You don't have to worry about like getting them mixed up. I take the top section of my hair, roll it on up into a ball. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be quite the look for y'all. Then do the same thing into the two sections. You still have your section in the back that's already curled, and you're gonna go ahead and curl these pieces. Now that we have our middle section done, I take out the clip from the bottom and then clip that whole section down. Then I take that top little blop down off of my head, part it in the middle. Sometimes just use my nails when you can't get it straight. A comb must come to the rescue. Something like that. For the third time. Part it into two sections, not 3, 2, and curl away. Now I like to do the top of my head a little bit looser than the bottom. I mean, I've done it pretty loose the whole time. So maybe just do as is for the purpose of this video. If you're trying to copy or hair style along with me. But yeah, I like to do a little bit looser. I don't like Shirley Temple curls up here, that's for sure. It's not my vibe. You might be like, you're going in the opposite direction as you did last time in terms of where you started curling the hair. That is right. I did. So I start from the back, clearly, when I do that top piece. You don't have to do that. It's not mandatory. It's merely a suggestion. Now when I get to the front piece, these front pieces, they really like to bug me sometimes. Sometimes I don't even curl them and I'll just kind of swoop it in towards my face. But I do like keeping it consistent with the rest. So then I just flip that behind my ear, go ahead and do the second side. Again, I start from the back. That's very odd that I do that. Very, very, very odd. I guess I just like to do those front pieces last. Interesting choice, Kyla. Interesting choice. Okay. Fix my shirt for the millionth time in this video. So then take your hair down. Just take it down. I like to give it a little bit of a run through with my fingers. Kind of brush it with my fingers. So I usually go in with a hairbrush at this point. I have a little teasing comb here that I like to then tease my hair a bit with. So I just usually separate it. I don't do too much teasing. So I push over to the side here, just a little bit. And it depends on the day. Sometimes I do not do this. Sometimes I do. And sometimes I do it in a few different sections to build it. I also wear extensions from time to time. Usually put those in before I styled my hair so that it's all consistent with the extensions. But for this video, I didn't put them in, but I will do another video and show you how I put them in. I really like using them and wearing them because I feel like it gives me that volume that I crave. There's nothing better than a nice voluminous hairstyle, in my opinion. I go in with Triple Sec. Oh my gosh, it is the most incredible product. If there's one product you could ever buy for your hair, for it to smell like heaven on earth, this would be it. Triple Sec, 3-in-1. So it's a texturizer, amplifier, and it refreshes. And it sure does. So this is my finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the hair tutorial today. I actually went over to my Instagram and got you to ask some questions, which I'm gonna pull up right now and answer for you. One of the first questions was, what tool do I use to curl my hair? And as you saw in the video, I use my flat iron. It is the Chi, and it works very well. It is not the newest hair styler out there, but it does a really good job. How often do I get a trim? I get a trim probably once every 3 to 4 months. And I honestly just tell them to take off anything that's dead. You can kind of see when a hairstylist is pulling your hair through, you'll see the little wispy ends that they pull through with their fingers. That's usually all dead. So usually I don't even say only 2 inches or only 3 inches. I let them take off whatever is dead. So last time it had been a while since I had a cut. So when she pulled my hair through, there was probably about this much that was dead on my end, off the ends of my hair. What products do you use in your hair to keep it so beautiful, healthy, and shiny? For day to day, I use this product called Re-Life. It is a shampoo, rebuilding shampoo, and it's good for colored hair. Specific shampoo for very damaged hair. I do color my hair. I color it the same as my natural color, but I still color it. Re-Life, and with that I have the Re-Life rebuilding mask. Now I only put this on from the nape of my neck down. I do not put this on the top of my head. You probably can, but I just choose not to. So that's the Re-Life rebuilding mask. So that's really good. And then if I want something a little bit more spicy, if you will, this was actually gifted to me from one of my best friends, Laura. Shout out to you, girl. And I have the duo. So you have your shampoo and a conditioner. Again, I probably use this product once a week. I'm going to keep making videos for you, hopefully more consistently. I think my last video I recorded was back in September. But I enjoy it so much, so I want to keep doing it, and I want to push myself to do it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe below. I can't wait to see you all in my next video.